Sunrise slope on the Kingston shore, salt in the breeze, yeah, the wave them roar. Old guitar sing stories of pain, every scar turn rhythm, every tear turn gain. Barefoot youth them laugh in the street, heartbeat drum keep island beat. From zinc fence streams to a brighter day, we sing our truth, yeah, we find our way. When the night falls soft and low, and the sound system start to glow, every worry drift away, music guide we home to stay. Island rockin', sway with me, bassline roll like the open sea. Hold your faith, hold your ground, roots them strong, hear the rebel sound. Island rockin', slow and true, ancient fire burning through. From yard to yard, from soul to soul, reggae music make we whole. Mama home in by candlelight, Papa pray hard for a better life. Sugar cane sweat pan working hand, still we smile in the promised land. Vinyl spin pan dusty shell, every note know itself. Elder voice teach we how to stand, with love and truth as the master plan. Listen close to the rhythm talk, every step is a righteous walk. From the struggle comes the song, that remind we where we belong. Island rockin', sway with me, bassline roll like the open sea. Hold your faith, hold your ground, roots them strong, hear the rebel sound. Island rockin', slow and true, ancient fire burning through. From yard to yard, from soul to soul, reggae music make we whole. No rush, no race, just time and sound. Babylon walls soon crumble down. One drum, one heart, one vibration. Unity is the revelation. When the needle kiss the groove just right, past and future unite tonight. Lost but found in a simple song, roots alive, still moving strong. Moonlight dance from the old zinc groove, every lyric carry living proof. If you walk with love, you never stray. Jah light guide every step you take. From Kingston Lane to foreign land, still the rhythm understand. No matter where your journey roam, reggae always feel like home. Island rockin', hear it clear, 57 echo still here. Hold your faith, hold your ground, sacred bass make the world go round. Island rockin', pure and free, heartbeat turn it turning free. From vinyl dust to modern soul, reggae music make we whole. Needle fade but the spirit stay, roots don't die, them find a way. All remix but forever strong. Island rockin', eternal song. Sunrise slope on the Kingston shore, salt in the breeze, hear the wave them roar. Old guitars sing stories of pain, every scar turn rhythm, every tear turn gay. Barefoot you them laugh in the street, heartbeat drum keep island beat. From zinc fence streams to a brighter day, We sing our truth, yeah, we find our way. When the night falls soft and low, and the sound system start to glow, everywhere we drift away. Music guide we home to stay. Island rockin', sway with me. Bassline roll like the open sea. Hold your faith, hold your ground. Roots them strong, hear the rebel sound. Island rockin', slow and true. Ancient fire burning true. From yard to yard, from soul to soul. Reggae music make we whole. Mama humming by candlelight. Papa pray hard for a better life. Sugar cane sweat pan working and still we smile in the promised land. Vinyl spin pan dusty shelf. Every note know itself. Elder voice teach we how to stand, with love and truth as the master plan. Listen close to the rhythm talk. Every step is a righteous walk. From the struggle comes the song that remind we where we belong. Island rockin', sway with me. Bassline roll like the open sea. Hold your faith, hold your ground. Roots them strong, hear the rebel sound. Island rockin', slow and true. Ancient fire burning true. From yard to yard, from soul to soul. Reggae music make we whole. No rush, no race, just time and soul. Babylon wall soon crumble down. One drum, one heart, one vibration. Unity is the revelation. When the needle kiss the groove just right. Past and future unite tonight. Lost but found in a simple song. Roots alive, still moving strong. Moonlight dance pon the olds in groove. Every lyric carry living proof. If you walk with love, you never stray. Jah light guide every step you take. From Kingston Lane to foreign land, still the ribbon understand. No matter where your journey roam, reggae always feel like home. And rockin', hear it clear. 57 echoes still here. Hold your faith, hold your ground. Sacred bass make the world go round. Island rockin', pure and free. Heartbeat of eternity. From vinyl dust to modern soul. Reggae music make we whole. Needle fade but the spirit stay. Roots don't die, them find a way. Lyrics but forever strong. Island rockin', eternal song.